All right, the audio is recording. No racial slurs. Okay.
Nicaragua.
Good Christian server, please.
All right, Mike. Let's do it.
All
right, let's go.
All right. Smile, big smile.
Smile.
Is that it?
Yeah. Is that it? Are we done yet?
Do it one more time and everyone like aim at the camera, I guess.
Volley fire the camera.
Once he's back. Once he's back.
Yeah, once he's back.
Just everyone aim.
Yeah. The classic stick 'em up. Yeah. I love it.
All right.
Legs are dying.
C-clamp, right? C-clamp?
Ready to aim?
Pop out.
Woo. It's sunny.
Right?
All right.
All right.
That's enough to roll for me.
That was a wild get up, dude.
Man, next year I got. Okay, it's recording.
All right.
Slowly, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah. Right.
There's no
Load up.
right?
Load up. All right, Ohio guys.
I can't wait to get brass in my ass. All right, count it down, Mike. 3, 2, 1, fire! Ow. Jesus Christ.
That homie had my briefcase, so I had to.
The fucking wall there.
Your first piece of brass hit me in the neck. And I was just like, ah!
My hat kept getting.
I hit you.
Sorry.
It's like,
It's funny, the polarization filter went around twice. So, like, it went the dark, the light, the dark, the light. It was like, oh, it's your night and day.
You know, back.
yeah, that did it.
Yeah.